of you. I'm Rajesh Kumar, science teacher of Pratapgarh School, Pathankot. Our main chapter is our environment of class 10th biology. In today lecture, this is the third lecture. In today lecture, we will discuss on biological magnification and then ozone layer. Okay, what is the importance of ozone layer? What is ozone hole? Okay, let's start. What is biological magnification? Simply, biological magnification means increase in the amount of a chemical, and that increase become more or at maximum level at top tropic level. Okay, for example, there is a food chain. In food chain there are three level: primary level, secondary level, or tertiary level. The amount of chemical will be more at the tertiary level, at the top level. Okay, actually the is a biological magnification. Okay, harmful chemicals like insecticides and pesticides, which are used to protect crops from insects and pests, are absorbed by plants and enter the food chain. Since these chemicals are non-biodegradable, they get accumulated at every tropic level and their concentration increases. Since human beings occupy the highest tropic level, the concentration of these harmful chemicals is maximum in our body because humans are at the tropic level. Okay, the increase in the concentration of harmful chemicals in the bodies of organism at higher tropic level is called as biological magnification. Okay, next, these are examples of biological magnification. Okay, see, DDT, the amount of DDT in the primary tropic level, then the amount of DDT in the secondary tropic level. See, in primary tropic level its amount is 0.04, then the secondary tropic level its level is 0.5 ppm, then next 2 ppm, then 25 ppm. Okay, you can see the amount increases. Okay, from primary tropic level to secondary tropic level and secondary tropic level to tertiary tropic level. Okay, now this is all about the biological magnification. Okay, then what are the human activities which affect the environments? We know that there are a lot of the human activities which affect the environments. Pollution is one of the major cause of the harmful effects on the environments, because human activities, humans use number of chemicals, number of insecticides, number of pesticides, automobiles, factories. Okay, deforestation. There are number of causes basically due to the human activities which can provide harm to the environment. Okay, and we know that inside the environment ozone layer is very important, and ozone layer play a very important role to protect the living organism from the harmful rays comes from the sun, basically UV rays. Okay, ozone layer is like a layer which is present in the stratosphere. Okay, actually the ozone layer is present between the stratosphere and troposphere. Okay, these actually stratosphere and tropospheres are the layers. Okay, the layers of gases which present above the surface of earth. From the surface of earth, troposphere starts, and it moves to certain height. After the certain heights, the next layer is stratosphere. Okay, this is the troposphere, this is the stratosphere. Okay, the ozone layer is present between these two layers. Okay, for example, this is the troposphere, this is the stratosphere. Ozone layer is present within the stratosphere or troposphere. Okay, stratospheric ozone is called as positive ozone because this ozone protect us from the UV rays comes from the sun. And tropospheric ozone is called as negative ozone. Why it is called as negative ozone? Because it play a very important role in greenhouse effect or global warming, because it trap the sun rays comes from the earth after the reflection. Okay, now ozone is molecule contain 3 oxygen atom, O3. Formula of ozone is O3. At higher levels in the atmosphere, the UV radiation splits some oxygen molecule O2 into the free oxygen atoms, which combine with oxygen molecule to form ozone. How ozone is formed? The formula of ozone is O3. When the UV rays fall on the ozone molecule, because UV rays having more energy, when UV rays fall on the O2 molecule, it break down the O2 molecule, then O2 molecule split into oxygen atom and oxygen atom. This single oxygen atom is highly reactive. It can combine with the another oxygen molecule and form O3. Okay, means the association or ozone, the formation of ozone depend upon the UV rays. Okay, as I already discussed with you, ozone layer is a layer which is present in the troposphere and stratosphere. Between troposphere and stratosphere, stratospheric ozone is called as positive ozone and tropospheric ozone is known as negative ozone, which protect the living organism from the UV rays. Okay, the ozone layer present in the higher layers of the atmosphere protect the earth basically from the harmful UV radiations from the sun. UV radiation cause skin cancer in human. What happen if ozone layer depleted, or what happen if the ozone layer become very thin? The UV rays directly enter into the Earth's atmosphere, and due to high energy, it increase the temperature on the surface of Earth. As a result, what happen when the temperature of on the Earth increases, and it results into the number of harmful effects like skin cancer, eyes problem, cataract, lower photosynthetic rate. This UV rays burn the plants. The photosynthetic rate ultimately decreases. Melting of glaciers takes place. The level of sea rises. Submerging or merging of islands. Okay, and finally the loss of biodiversity. The whole biodiversity can be lost due to these harmful effects. Okay, the ozone layer is being damaged by the use of, okay, this is about the ozone hole. What is ozone hole? There are a number of chemicals released during the human activities. One of the most important chemical is CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. Okay, chlorofluorocarbons is actually very dangerous chemicals which can provide damage to the ozone layer. Okay, the ozone layer is being damaged by the use of chemical like chlorofluorocarbon used in refrigerators and fire extinguisher. So the use of CFC is now being reduced to protect the ozone layer. Okay, now this is about the ozone hole. Ozone hole is basically due to the CFC. Okay, is basically due to the CFC. Okay, and ozone hole is first observed over the Antarctica region, over the South Pole. Okay, this is all about your ozone layer, ozone hole. Okay, I hope you understand the concepts. You understand this whole session. Meet you soon in the next lecture. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.